In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello labels. Labels are a simple but powerful way to categorize your work, highlight priorities, and make cards easier to scan at a glance. By the end, you'll know how to find the label tool, edit existing labels, create new ones, and apply them to your cards with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello, then click the official Trello website in the results. If you're already on Trello, you can follow along from there. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account and continue. Once you're on Trello, open any board you want to organize. This could be a project board, a personal to-do list, or a team workflow. Next, choose a card on that board and click it to open the card details. Inside the card, look for the Labels option. This opens the label panel, where you can manage everything about your labels. If you see a color you're already using but it doesn't have a clear name yet, you can edit that existing label. Select the label, add a short descriptive title, something like priority, status, or a team or topic name, and keep it consistent with how your team works. Clear names make labels much more useful at a glance. When you're done, click Save to confirm your changes. You can also create a brand new label if none of the current ones fit your needs. In the Label panel, choose Create a new label. Type a title that's concise and meaningful. Then pick a color that stands out in your workflow. It helps to choose colors with intention. For example, reds for high urgency, greens for completed or approved items, and blues for information or reference. When your title and color look right, click Create to add it to your label set. Now you're ready to use labels on the card. Simply click the labels you want to apply. You can select more than one if that card fits multiple categories. When a label is active, it's highlighted, and you'll see it appear on the front of the card as a colored tag with the title you chose. If you change your mind, click the label again to toggle it off. That's it. By naming existing labels, creating new ones with intentional colors, and applying the right tags to each card, you'll bring clarity to your board and make it much easier to scan, sort, and communicate progress at a glance.